Method is pretty simple. The whole point of it is to eliminate or cancel out either the x values or the y values to find the x and y values. So for these equations, we're going to do 10x plus 20y equals 50, and then for the second one, we'll do negative 5x minus 4y equals negative 30. Now, you want to get the bottom equation to add to the top so you can cancel it out, and you have to make sure that these are opposite to make it cancel out, right? Yes. So I'm going to multiply by 2 to make this negative 10x minus 8y is negative 60. You're going to take the top equation, 10x 20y equals 50. So then these cancel out. It's going to be 12y equals negative 10, and then you divide the 12 out, and y is negative 10 over 12, negative 5 over 6. And then you take this, y is negative 5 over 6, and plug it in to whichever equation you prefer. And because this has smaller values, I think I'm going to plug it into that one. So it'll be negative 5x minus 4 minus 5 over 6 equals negative 30. I'm going to take my calculator really quick. I'm going to do negative 4 times negative 5 over 6. And it is 3 1/3. So negative 5x minus 3 1/3 equals negative 30. So you add that to this side. So negative 5x equals negative, oh crap. Okay, and then you're going to want to divide the 5 away from the x. Negative 5, and that is x equals 5 1/3. And then to check our work, you can just plug it in to an equation. 1/3. So when you're finished, always make sure to check your work, because I went back and checked that and my x value is wrong. So I went back over here and I actually had the wrong sign on one of them. So it was actually negative 5x is equal to negative 33 1/3. Did that math really quick, and this is the correct equation. So x is, here I'm going to write that really quick. So the x is 6 2/3, and y is negative 5 over 6. Perfect. So we're going to have y equals 2x, and y equals x plus 5. To substitute, we're going to take one equation and put it into the other. So I'm going to take this first one and put it into the second one. So I can take this y equals 2x and put it in for this y. 2x equals x plus 5. I'm going to subtract an x from each side and get x equals 5. So there's my first one. Now I need to find y. So I'm going to take this x and put it into one equation. Y equals 2 times 5. Y equals 10. So we have 5 and 10 as our coordinates where the two equations cross. And to check our work, we're going to put the 5 in for x and the 10 in for y in this first equation. So 10 equals 2 times 5. 10 equals 10. That's correct.